Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video. In this one we're going to talk about the things that I have purchased from various places in order to go to Ladakh. These all items that I have purchased for Ladakh. So in today's video I'm going to talk about what are the things that I have purchased, from where I have purchased, and most importantly the price of each item.
Tell me lies like you mind crazy out of time flies. We begin to sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turning lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup. We'll be out of here.
If you are a biker, then I'm hoping that you will have all the riding gears. If you don't, let's see what are the riding gears I have. First one, and the important thing, is the helmet. This is the helmet that I have. This is SMK Typhoon branded helmet, and this one cost me 5250. Next one is the Bluetooth headset in order to listen to songs and get the calls while you are riding. So that's the reason I have purchased this ride-on Bluetooth. You can listen to songs and receive calls while you are riding. This is Kala's balaclava that should be worn inside the helmet, and this one costed me 500 rupees. These are the XOR Gator gloves. These are the riding gloves, and this one costed me 2400 rupees. Next one is the XOR branded riding jacket. This model is XR Nimbus, and this one costed me 6250. This is Rida branded hydration bag, and this one costed me 2850. Next one is the tank bag. This one is the magnetic tank bag from Guardian Gears, and this attaches to your tank, which is important to carry all your essentials. This one costed me 2400. These are knee guards from Orezzo, and these one costed me 2400 rupees. Riding shoes are very important, and this model I have is Orezzo Picus, which is a waterproof model, and these one costed me 6000 rupees. This is an air seat from Grand Pit Stop, which provide extra cushioning while riding, and this one costed me 2000 rupees. In order to attach or mount the mobile on your handlebar to see the navigation and the maps, I have purchased this Bobo mobile holder. This one is a waterproof model, and it comes with the vibration dampener, and this one costed me 2500 rupees. In order to take care of your bike, there are few items that I have purchased from the service center. This one is the rear brake pad, this one is the spark plug, and this is the air filter. These two items costed me 250 rupees each, and the air filter costed 350 rupees. Everybody wants to capture the happiest moments of their life, and that's the reason I have purchased this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo, and this one costed me 47,000 rupees. Also, it requires an additional memory card of 256 GB. That one costed me 3,000. So total camera, this is the most expensive purchase I have made. It costed me 50,000 rupees. Plus, there is a storage bag additional for the single action camera, this one which I have purchased for 900 rupees. And in order to carry all the essential items of the camera, like the stick, the additional batteries, and the mount, I have purchased this separate case which costed me 1400 rupees. Next item is the helmet action camera mount. So this one goes on your helmet so that you can attach the action camera to it. This one costed me 550 rupees. Next is the handlebar action camera mount, which goes onto your handlebar, and action camera can be mounted on this one. This one costed me 800 rupees. In order to charge all your electronic gadget, I have purchased this 20,000 mAh power bank, which costed me 1000 rupees. Also, I have purchased this external mic for the action camera in order to record the audio. Also, I have the Bluetooth mic, which is for my iPhone, and this one costed me 1800 rupees. In order to protect us from the rain, there is this rain cover which came with the riding jacket from XOR, and this one is free. I have also purchased the lower, which is the pant, and the best part about this one is this comes with the shoe cover, and this one I have purchased from Decathlon, and this one costed me 1000 rupees. Ladakh is a very cold region, and in order to protect us from the cold, I have purchased this body warmer from Jockey, and this one costed me 1500 rupees. Additionally, there are two more body warmers I have purchased from Decathlon. So this one can be worn inside, and this one costed me 500 rupees. This is a fleece shirt or sweatshirt, you can call it. Also, I have purchased these two gloves. These are the inner liners, can be worn inside your riding gloves or can be worn externally. Also, there is one more. This is a cap which can be worn in multiple types by using this strap attached to top of it. And this one costed me 200 rupees. This hand gloves costed me 300 rupees. Thermal socks, these are 3 pairs, and this one costed me 450 rupees. And the most essential item in order to protect us from the cold that we may experience in Ladakh is this Quechua branded jacket. The best part about this jacket is this is completely waterproof, come with a hoodie, and this can be worn in the temperatures which is as low as minus 10 degrees. This one costed me 3200 rupees. These are some hygiene items. This contains body wash, moisturizer, then there is a sunscreen, wet wipes and lip balm. This one costed me somewhere around 2000 rupees. Alright, you have seen list of all the items, but how are you going to carry them with you if you are on a bike? That's the reason I have purchased this tail bag from Guardian Gears. This one is 70-liter bag, and this one costed me 3800 rupees. Thank you for watching, guys. Those are the items that I have purchased. The list is increasing day by day. We are going to start our journey on Monday, 23rd June 2025. And all the updates you'll get on this channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.